Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. Today we are looking at test 1A of the Lantern Step to Quantitative Reasoning and Book 6. And we have an exercise here, and we have exercise and we have example. The first thing we need to do is to understand the operation that goes on behind these examples. Then we now use that operation to solve the exercise. Now, the first thing we need to look at, we have 3, we have 8, we have 5, we have 12. So in my analysis, I discovered that 3 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 5, that gives me 120. 120 divided by 10, that gives me 12. So the multiplication of these 3 that is below, when you divide it by 10, gives you what we have here. Let us see if that operation holds for the second example. We have 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 15. This is 14 multiplied by 15. That gives us 210 divided by 10. So this gives me 21. Definitely that operation works. Now, what I've just shown is how to find the one that is above. Let's assume that we were not given one of the one that is below. How do we solve it? That will now become whatever we have here. This is 12 multiplied by 10. That will give us 120. So the two that were given, let us assume we were given 8 and 5. We are not given this. We just multiply 8 and 5, that gives us 40. So now say 120 divided by 40, that will give us 3. And that is how they got this 3. Now let us take that operation, the understanding, to our exercise, and let's see how that works. Now the first one, we have 5 multiplied by 6, that is 30. 30 multiplied by 5, that will give us 150. 150 divided by 10, that will give us 15. So our answer here is D, 15. Let's look at the second one. Now, if you look at this one, we were not given this. So we were given 8, we were given 5, and we were given 8. Now the one that is here, let us multiply it by 10. That is 8 multiplied by 10. That will give us 80. So let us multiply the denominator here. 8 multiplied by 5, that gives us 40. So 80 divided by 40. So that gives us 2. So our answer here is E. So 2 is the missing number. And while 15 is the missing number here. Now let us move to the next one. We have 24. So just like we did for the question number 2, we are going to do the same thing for the question number 3. So we are going to say 24 multiplied by 10, and that will give us 240. So 8 multiplied by 6, that gives us 48. So 240 divided by 48, that gives us 5. So our answer here is 5. Now let us look at the next one. Let me rub this off so that we can have more space. Now we have 9 here. That is 9, just as we've been doing before, multiplied by 10. That gives us 90. So we have 1 over 2 multiplied by 6, and that is 3. So 90 divided by 3, that gives us 30. So the missing number here is 30, which is E. So our answer here is 30. So let us look at the last question that we have on the test. So we have 1 over 2, 1 over 2, and 40. Remember, we are multiplying everything that we have here. Whatever we have, we are dividing it by 10 and to give us this. So we now have 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 multiplied by 40. So 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2, that will give us 1. That will give us 1 over 4. That is 1 multiplied by 1, 1. 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. Multiply by 40. Remember, every whole number has a denominator, which is 1. So 4 here, 1. 4 in 40, that is 10. So that is 10. So we've gotten 10. And remember, we are dividing whatever we have here. Whatever we got, we are dividing it by 10. So 10 divided by 10, that gives us 1. So our answer is A. So what is missing here is 1. So thank you very much for listening. If you have any question, please feel free to put it in the comment section, and please remember to subscribe, and that will do a lot to help the cause. Thank you very much. Till I see you next time, please be good.